To customize your document, it depends on what you want to change. You can choose an option. To customize your margins, page color, and orientation, you can click File, Page Setup. Here's where you can select Portrait or Landscape, paper size, the page color, and your margins. Now let's look at some of the options up here. This first tab means that you can undo something. So let's say you type something but you spelled it wrong. You can undo your last typing, or you can redo it with the Redo tab. You can also print your document from here. This is a spell check option. This paint tool, you can copy formatting from any text and apply it to another section of the text. So I have two different sentences here in two different fonts and sizes. So if I want to change today to look exactly like this sentence, I can select the paint tool and select today. Another way to change the style, font, or font size is to highlight the text, and under normal text I could select one of these options or find more options. I could select the font and change the font, and I can change the size here. I can also choose to make the text bold. If I highlight the text and select B for bold, or deselect it, I can also italicize a text by highlighting it, and you can also underline a text here. You can change the text color by highlighting the text, selecting this tool, and changing the font color. And you can highlight the text and then select a color to highlight it. To insert a link to a URL, highlight the text, select Insert, Link, or you can highlight the text and select this link here. Now it will ask you to paste a link. So let's say that I want to find a link to link to this text here. I can go to Tools, Explore, I can copy the link address, and insert that link here. I can also add a comment by highlighting the text and then adding a comment with this icon here. If you'd like to add a picture, you can select this icon and add an image. You can upload an image from your computer that you've saved. You can search the web. You can add it from your drive, from your photos, by URL, or from your camera. Let's search the web. This is a cute one. And let's select Insert. And there's our image. I can resize it by hovering over this corner and sliding it down to the size I would like. Or I can move it, wrap text, break text, or inline. Now you can also change the text alignment. So I've got some lyrics here, and if I want to change the alignment, all I have to do is go up here to these icons right here. This is a left alignment, what it's currently set at. I can center align, I can right align, or I can justify. You can select the entire text if you would like to center all of it. If you would like to change the line spacing or add numbers or bullets, you can highlight all of the text, and this icon changes the line spacing. So let's change it to double. Or I can change it to an outline if I'd like, or you can change it to a bulleted list. To remove text formatting, select this icon. You have some image options as well. You can crop an image by selecting the image and selecting this icon to crop it. Now it's highlighted it in black, and I can grab these corners and crop it down if I'd like. And you can also turn the image around by grabbing that circle and rotating it. You can also replace this image by going up here to this option and select Replace Image. You have more image options here. You can recolor the image. You can make it transparent. You can adjust the brightness and the contrast. And that's how you customize your Google Doc.